On September 13th, Sonos unveiled the long-awaited Sub Mini, which is now available for pre-order and ships with an estimated date of October 6th, 2022. But my question is, where's the foot pedal that raises the lid so I can put my garbage in it? Hey Sonos, have you released the dates yet of the upcoming Marshmallow Tour featuring Buckethead and the new Sub Mini? Move over, Mac Pro from 2013, because Sonos' Sub Mini is the new, best-looking trash can-shaped electronic device for the modern household. Despite its enticing shape, doctors do not recommend using the Sub Mini as a back roller.
Do not attempt under any circumstances to use the new Sonos Sub Mini to practice your crane kicks like Daniel-san in Karate Kid.
Whew! Now that I got that out of my system, let's hop online and check it out.
Hooray.
Sub Mini coming in at $429. That's a pretty good deal compared to the $749 of the Sub Gen 3. They do recommend using the Sub Mini with the Beam, Ray 1 or 1 SL, but no mention of the Arc. I don't think that means it'll be incompatible with the Arc. I think it just means because it's a Sub Mini and it's for small to medium-sized spaces, it's better suited for the Beam or the Ray, etc. Yeah, as you can see, you can pre-order it now. Estimated to ship October 6th, 2022. Yep, cylinder, cool, very sleek, very minimalist. Cool close-up of the driver inside, very top. And there's the very bottom, so you can discreetly put in an Ethernet cable, power cord jack. Moving on, bold bass. Unlock your entertainment experience when you pair Sub Mini with Beam or Ray. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection enhances audio transmission speed so you can enjoy movies, shows, and games with high quality sound reliably synced with your TV. Ooh, cool little animation there. See, it's got 2 drivers. Within the acoustically sealed cabinet, dual custom woofers generate the full tone low frequencies of a much larger subwoofer. Advanced processing further enhances the bass response. Both woofers face inward to create a force canceling effect that neutralizes distortion. That's pretty darn cool because I know from experience that a subwoofer that actually can't handle its own driver and starts to rattle produces some unwanted resonance that just kind of bleeds into your soundstage and makes it more muddy. I do appreciate that Sonos has, on paper, eliminated that. So kudos to them, hopefully. We'll see how it is IRL. True Play tuning technology adapts the bass for the unique acoustics of the room so it never sounds harsh, muddy, or flat, even if you place your Sub Mini next to the wall. Supported iOS device required. So it does look like Sonos is still Android haters. I don't know why. Their choice. Maybe they have an exclusive contract with Apple. Who knows? Boom without the box. The unique cylindrical design looks at home in your home. Yes, as a trash can. Elegant and compact, Sub Mini blends in beside your furniture and easily fits under a desk or table. Sub Mini connects to your Wi-Fi system so you can place it wherever it fits and looks best in the room. Pretty cool. Plug, add, play. Just plug in the power cable, open the app, and follow a few simple instructions to add Sub Mini to your system. And having dealt with the Beam and the 1 SLs behind me in my current living room setup, that's very true. Adding another speaker to your current Sonos ecosystem is actually a breeze. It's very simple, doesn't take that long. Easy control, the volume automatically adjusts along with your paired soundbar or speaker. Use the Sonos app to customize the EQ and change the bass level to your preference. Tech specs. Both Class D amplifiers are perfectly tuned to the unique acoustic architecture. Cylinder. Dual 6-inch woofers face inward for force canceling effect. Sealed cabinet neutralizes distortion and enhances bass response. True Play. This software measures the acoustics of the room, then fine-tunes your Sonos system, supported iOS device. Audio settings automatically equalize to balance Sub Mini and the paired Sonos products. Use the Sonos app to adjust bass, treble, and loudness. This is the most surprising though. 2 6-inch drivers produce frequencies as low as 25 hertz. I mean, that's not like SVS sub territory where it's like 20 or 18, 15 hertz. But still, for a soundbar system, 25 hertz is, I think, the best. I don't know, I'd have to research that a little bit more, but I don't know if any other soundbar system, Samsung or Sony or whoever, I don't think they offer subs that go down to 25 hertz, but I could be mistaken. But 25 is actually really good. That's spectacular.
And there you have it.
So that's it. I just wanted to hop online real quick and go over the specs with you. And now it's your turn. How many of you out there have been waiting so long for this slightly more affordable subwoofer from Sonos? How many of you are going to pre-order it? How many of you might order one, I don't know, during this upcoming holiday shopping season? Let's start a conversation, people. As always, thanks for watching. Please be kind to each other out there. Don't just watch TV and movies, experience them. And of course, always be listening.